Hello, welcome to this introduction of the SmartDrop uh, efficient irrigation system. Uh, I want to introduce to you um, an evaluation kit, an evaluation set of devices that we have deployed on this very small tomato uh, crop plot in Irun, very close to our facilities, to be able to have a quick and easy access to uh, the installation, to analyze how it goes on, and if there's a issue coming up, uh, act in the fastest way, right? So you can have a look to it. It's this is the garden plot that we pretend to feed, to water using the system. And now what you are going to see is the demo rig that is already running. It's been already running for 2 months on, right? Okay, so this is the small plot we want to water and control the irrigation using a drip system, a dripping irrigation method, which is the most efficient, and it's very appropriate for this kind of crop, for tomatoes. And here you can see the demo rig we have prepared, which is, as I mentioned before, already running. It's been running for a couple of months now. So I will tell you what's the composition of the system. This is the inlet, so we have the flow coming from right to left, okay? So we have a pair of shut-off valves at the beginning and at the end of the installation line. The first thing that we can see here is an ultrasonic flow meter, right? Which is a contactless flow measurement instrument in which you can see the rate and the odometer of the cubic meters that have been flown through the pipeline, right? So it's a very efficient system, it's battery powered, and there is no necessity of external power supply all over the system. It's completely autonomous, which is one of the breakthroughs of this proposal. And after that, we continue upstream in the pipeline. We can see this plastic housed control valve, right? In this case, it is a small installation being able to provide up to 440 cubic meters per hour, right? And the diameter of the pipe is 32 millimeters, which is considered 1 inch size pipeline. And the core of the system and the core also of the application we have developed for this solution called SmartDrop is the ISURDROP control unit that you can see here, where is all the electronics and control system is already embedded inside this plastic box, which is waterproof, especially designed to be used in outdoors installations, as it should be if we talk about agriculture. And it includes a LoRaWAN transmission system that can be also NB-IoT communications based system. And as you can see, it is connected to both the flow meter and the control valve using these cables. All right, so as I mentioned at the beginning in the introduction of this video, the ISURDROP unit provides energy in an autonomous way to the whole system, to both the control valve and the flow meter, and also for internal uh, consumption of the electronics and the communication module. Either it is LoRa based or NB-IoT based, right? In a system that can be considered a solution that can be considered a breakthrough, because using these very small solar panels that do not in fact need direct exposure to the sunlight, it can work perfectly and in a very efficient way with scattered sunlight. It provides power supply for the system using a supercapacitor in the inside for more than 10 years, which is a completely breakthrough with respect to other technologies that use non-recyclable batteries that you have to throw away and to recycle, generating a very harmful waste every 2 years to the large, if no earlier. So this is one of the most important breakthroughs, and everything has been designed and developed considering the minimum consumption in order to make the whole solution independent of external power generation systems, and also the most efficient and environmental friendly solution. Thank you very much.